Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use the Bybit USDT 20 coupon. So let's get into the video. So if you have that 20 USDT coupon from Bybit, so what you can do is firstly go to your Bybit and then log into your Bybit account, and now we're going to go to my rewards here. So on your profile here, click on it and then you will see my rewards. Just click on my rewards. So when you get to my rewards here, okay, so under my rewards, what you will see all your rewards available to you. So mostly if you want to you can claim your rewards if you go to my task here. So whatever, if you have that 20 USD coupon, so it should pop up here, so you can claim it. So once you've claimed it, it will be available under my rewards. So once it's available on my rewards, then if you want to use it, so under the coupon you will see a use option there. Simply click on the use option, and once you click on the use option, then it will be used or redeemed on your Bybit account, and then when you make your transaction, it will reflect on any of your next transaction or your activity on Bybit. So just simply clicking the use option, you can use that Bybit coupon. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.